Hello everyone, welcome to Advait's Knowledge Track. Today I'm going to do a book review. Okay, so I'm making a book review about this book called Pretty Star the Pony and Other Stories by Enid Blyton. So, what are these books doing here? Now I remember, these are for the future book reviews. Stay tuned to this knowledge track. Okay, so these are the contents, and this is the book. As you can see, there are 12 chapters. Woody the Great Goblin, Pretty Star the Pony, In Nursery Rhyme Land, The Noisy Boy, Jinky and the Animals, Bobtail Makes Friends, Funny Little Folk, The Cold Days Come, The Parcel in the Gutter, The Bold Bad Brownie, The Little Button Elves, and The Grumple Goblin. My two favorite stories in this are Woody the Great Goblin and The Parcel in the Gutter. So I'm going to be reviewing those two stories today as in our video. Let's start with Woody the Great Goblin. So let's start with Woody the Great Goblin. In this story, let me tell all the characters inside this story. Let's start with Woody the Great Goblin. Woody the Great Goblin, it contains Woody the Goblin. He wants to capture a little human to complete his spells. He does not know that spell. Peepo, his assistant, he has been ordered to capture that human to bring him for his spells. The boy is teaming with the prince to help the princess get out of Woody the Great Goblin's cave. The prince, he has been determined himself to help the princess, and he has took a boy with him for his journey. He also carried a sword that he uses in case something gets in trouble. So lastly, the king. The king is overprotective about the princess because a goblin from before has gone into the kingdom to capture the princess. He's been caught and put into the dungeons forever. So that's why the king was overprotective of his princess. The story ends with the prince digging a hole at night with the boy, and he digs a hole inside the whole tunnel to Woody's cave, and he saves the princess who has been in danger for many months, and she has been rescued by the prince and the boy. Woody the Great Goblin has been forced to bring Peepo, his assistant, to life because Peepo has been caught saving the little princess, and he turned him to a frog and left him in the woods forever. So once he brought Peepo back to life, and Woody disappeared. Where did he go? He disappeared for life. The prince said he'll never be coming back ever again. The prince and the princess lived happily ever after. Oh yeah, and I forgot, with Pippo and the boy too. So let's move on to the next story. And the next story is The Parcel in the Gutter, which is also one of my favorite stories, and I'll be telling the characters of the story. So John and Sarah are the main characters in the story, which are the children of a mother. They find the parcel in the gutter, which is the title of the story. The mother of the two children receives the package because James and John and Sarah didn't know that the parcel in the gutter was for the mother. 3. The postmaster. The postmaster asked the postman to check the van if there's any loose tie. Okay, and the granny, the last character, the granny of John and Sarah gifted the mother a present because it was her birthday the next day. So that's it for the Parcel in the Gutter story. It is good to read. It's very fun also. Very short. That's the shortest story of all the 12. And yeah, that's all for the video. And remember, subscribe. Hit the notification bell below if you want to know what video I should make next on Advanced Knowledge Track. If you know, let me know. Bye, and remember, always stay